Cold Steel's Gunsite folders feature Zytel handles, super sharp blades, and extra strong locks. They are the first authorized and official knives of the renowned Gunsite Training Center, one of the United States' leading providers of training in firearms education. Available in 4-inch and 5-inch long Tanto Point blades, they are a must-have on any tactical mission.
Our Tanto Point is designed for the snap cut. Right here at the Yokote, there's a secondary point. It does tremendous amount of damage in the snap cut. Watch. There you go, the flick of my wrist. Look how it opened up that meat. That's just a flick of my wrist. Watch, I'll do another one. Another flick of my wrist, and you've got a 5-inch cut right here that opened up. Now let's use the full edge. Look at that. Look at that big cut that opened up. Wide, gaping cuts through meat. A 5-inch Gunsite folder can be a really good friend in a tight spot.
Here to demonstrate the lock strength of our 5-inch Voyager. On this strange contraption I have here, I have Voyagers locked in. As you can see, they're fully functional. This is our monkey bar test. I'm going to have this young gentleman here. He's going to go across all these handles just to show you the strength of these knives. Well, have fun, Joey. We had a 160-pound young gentleman here swinging on these locking mechanisms. They still held up and they're still working fine. But that's not only just a hanging weight, that's actually a swinging weight to help defeat the locking mechanism. And as you can see, not one of them failed. I just did a pull-up on these two knives here. I'm 6'3", 265 pounds. Locks still work fine.